In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zoom meeting link and invite others. First, go to the Zoom website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, look at the main navigation menu and click on Meetings. This is where Zoom lets you manage scheduled calls, upcoming sessions, and invitation details all in one place. Next, click Schedule a Meeting. You'll now be taken to the meeting setup page, where you can customize the session before sharing it with anyone. Start by entering your meeting topic. This is simply the title of your meeting, so make it clear and recognizable for the people you're inviting. After that, choose the date and time for the meeting. Make sure these details are correct before moving on, especially if you're sending the invitation to multiple people. Under Meeting ID, select Generate Automatically. This allows Zoom to create a unique ID for the meeting, which helps keep things simple and organized. Then set a passcode for the meeting. This adds an extra layer of security and helps make sure only the right people can join. From there, choose your video and audio settings. You can decide whether host and participant video should be on or off when the meeting starts, and you can review the audio options to match your preferences. Take a moment to review the other meeting options on the page. These settings can affect things like participant access and how the meeting begins, so it's worth giving them a quick look. When everything looks good, click Save. Zoom will now create the meeting and generate its unique meeting ID and invite link. On the meeting details page, find the invite link section. Click the copy icon next to the link to copy it to your clipboard. Once copied, paste that link into Messenger, email, WhatsApp, Facebook, or any messaging app you prefer. Then simply send it to the people you want to invite. If you'd rather send the complete meeting details instead of just the link, there's another option. Sign into Zoom, go to Meetings, then Upcoming, and click